All right, we got your forecast here, everybody, on this Friday evening. A week has gone by really fast, and a lot of good weather up until today. Then you woke up, and you probably woke up to some darker clouds, particularly along the lakeshore. If you were looking out over those open waters of Lake Michigan thinking, wow, these clouds are pretty dark. There must be some rain arriving, and there was even some embedded thunder and lightning. Heavy downpours that worked their way into Kent County and Grand Rapids as well by late morning and early afternoon. That kicked out of here, and look what we've got now. Mostly sunny skies. This visible satellite imagery showing you two critical areas down to the south where we have had showers and thunder showers recently, but mainly I-94 and southward. And I'd say in the past hour and a half, it has been working much further southward from I-94. But this is where the clouds are. You get to the Allegan County, Kent County line, and you get into mostly sunny skies. Ottawa County, if you live there, much of the same. And northward, Muskegon, Oceana. How about the second critical area over Wisconsin? That's where some white colors blowing up, the tops of clouds going way up into the atmosphere with some showers and thunderstorms that are blossoming even more so in Wisconsin than the models were showing. We'll get to that in just a moment, but this corridor of moisture down to the south, boy, across these counties adjacent to Indiana, it is raining very heavily. So ponding on roadways, the main concern here as opposed to severe weather. In fact, a lot of these yellow and orange and red colors, that's where it's already been raining recently. So I would imagine localized flooding issues where, you typically get the ponding is occurring near Dowagiac over towards Three Rivers. Coldwater, looks like a lot of those cities maybe not necessarily under the gun completely right now, but nearby, and perhaps you will be shortly. But that zone of rain staying to the south of Grand Rapids here this evening. So if you're headed out doing whatever you're doing for entertainment purposes tonight, I think you're dry. Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, a little bit more of a question mark because those showers trying to drift northward. But a lot of these sections are going to be without rain. Look at this area of storms, though, across the lake in Wisconsin. This blowing up recently. Got to watch this. These high-resolution models are trying to weaken it as it does work across Lake Michigan and approach the shoreline. But I would think that it's going to hold together enough to bring at least some showers here late evening. And that would be towards 11, 12, 1 o'clock tonight. We'll have more. I'll be following that when we come on the 10 o'clock show tonight. But those showers and storms, which have actually produced a severe thunderstorm warning recently in a county or two north of Milwaukee. I don't think it's severe once it gets here, but may hold together. And the models really weren't showing that earlier today. Two pieces with the rain, one to our northwest of GR right now, and then, of course, down to the south near the Indiana line. This weather disturbance out across Wyoming, that'll work across the weather map, and that will come in on Monday, slowing down, and may actually come in here after we get back to near 90 degrees on Monday. We'll see about that because how late it waits will be critical in terms of determining whether we have some gusty thunderstorm threat on Monday afternoon. If it holds off, we get the daytime warming process to drive us to near 90. We've got some sunshine. Then the system comes in, the one out in Wyoming. Could have some storms that could be of substance on Monday, but still some things have to be ironed out with that, certainly over the weekend. So we'll be tracking it. Temperatures, rain-cooled air down to the south. No surprise. I mean, I just showed you how heavy the rain was in those counties in our southernmost viewing area, and it has rained further northward from there going back the past couple of hours. So still only around 70 degrees in Kalamazoo versus the near 80-degree temperature in Grand Rapids. Those numbers will slip back here later this evening. And look at the temps on the board the next several days. We're talking 84 for Saturday, jumping to 90. I'm still holding firm on that, and then upper 80s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, back to 90. This is a real warm day. There could be a lot of heat gathering ahead of a late day or evening cold front on Thursday. That could bring more storms in here later at night and then turn us drier, a bit cooler into next weekend. Look at the dew point chart. I mean, muggy / oppressive tomorrow and Sunday. Then it goes squarely oppressive Monday and Tuesday as dew points can approach 75 degrees, Doug. Here's this RPM model trying to pick up on this mishmash of sorts of showers and storms this evening. Then it goes drier overnight. We're going to start tomorrow mostly cloudy. You'll wake up to clouds, but by the afternoon, breaks for sunshine do occur. Any green colors there, I think, overdone. And this complex of showers and storms, this is the only model showing that. So I'm going to say that's an outlier. Saturday, mainly dry. Sunday, dry, except for the humidity. Temps are warm, looking summer-like. Best chance for storms going forward, folks. Monday, then again at some point Wednesday. And then with that cold front later Thursday, we got more coming up with Doug. More news after the break.